Hey gang, I want to show you my new Fireplace kit that I've got here today. It's a pretty straightforward setup. It does come in pieces, a little bit flat packed, which is nice, but it does come in 2 pieces, but it is super easy to set up. It is literally just 2 screws. The screws come preset in the bottom rails. You just got to undo them real quick, flip the base plate over so that it's set up properly, and then put the 2 screws back in. Overall, literally, it took me like it took me maybe 60 seconds, we'll say, maybe, to do the whole setup, and that was to also go find a screwdriver. It does come with 4 Fireplace tools. It does have a pair of tongs. These are a pretty heavy-duty set of tongs. It's a 2-handed style, so you can get a lot of leverage there. It does have your Fireplace brush and your Fireplace scoop or shovel for ashes that are left over at the end, and a Fireplace poker. Now, one of the things I did love about this kit is all the tools are one piece. You're not having to worry on if the end heats up or anything like that, if it's going to get loose or come unscrewed, because it is all one solid piece. It also, what I love is the setup on these have a hooked in to where they slip over the top nice and securely. They're going to stay on there, but you can get any piece off, meaning this thing actually fits pretty flat against the wall. You're not having to worry about it. And overall, I just really love the look for our house. This brushed bronze just matches so well. So overall, if you are looking for a good Fireplace toolkit, I think this is the one to check out, and I think you're going to love it.